Hey everybody, Alice Lima Broker, John L. Scott Real Estate, and today we're with Cindy and we're getting ready to go through her family home, 109 Geneva.
I loved this neighborhood, and I still do so much, that when I was just a wee lass, I wrote, I think I live in the best place in the world. I've lived in 3 other places, but not near as good as this one. I live in the world, in the United States, in Oregon, in the Rogue Valley, in Jackson County, in Medford, in the east side of town, on Geneva Street. You probably wonder why I think it's so great. Well, I'll try my best to explain. Geneva is a tiny street, only 1 block long, 20 houses, 10 on each side. But from some of these houses come kids, and those kids make up what I think Geneva Street is, a neat place to live. And so I took the time, and we have photos of the kids and who they were and the families and what they were all about. We would exchange school pictures, and we played out here. You just have to imagine, this was full of kids, and it was such a great thing. You could play in everybody's yard, in the front and the backyard. And times have changed, but the family is still here. The community is still here.
Why don't you show us?
Well, come on in.